Today we are going to be doing the Superhero Smash game.
That's right. We have 12 different superheroes, you guys. Let's see who's playing in today's game. We have Spider-Man, the Hulk, Batman, Captain America, Batgirl, Wonder Woman, Thanos, Supergirl, Black Panther, Catwoman, Iron Man, and Superman. Alright guys, so for today's game, it is Anwar versus Leah. So whoever gets the most points wins. And there is slime in there, so if you get slime, you don't get a point. But if you get a toy or a surprise, you get a point. And this time, Anwar's gonna go first, okay?
Yay.
Since Leah went first last time.
Yeah.
So who are you gonna pick, Anwar?
I'm going to be picking Spider-Man.
Ooh, good choice.
Wait, I'll be right back. Look guys, I'm Spider-Man. Pew, 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 pew.
Whoa, Leah, look, you changed to Spider-Man now. Now he gets to open up Spider-Man. Okay, Anwar, are you ready to see what's behind Spider-Man?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Look, I found it, guys.
Oh, wow, look what you got. You got Justice League 5-pack of Hot Wheels cars.
We have Superman, we have Aquaman, we have Batman, Wonder Woman, and Cyborg. Batman, Cyborg, Superman, Aquaman, and Wonder Woman. Let's race! 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Who came in last? Aquaman?
No!
Oh, Aquaman came in last.
Batman came first, then Cyborg, then Superman. No!
All right, guys, so Anwar got a toy, so he has 1 point. And now it's Leah's turn. Leah, who are you gonna open up? Wonder Woman?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Harder.
Help.
You need help? There we go. What is it?
What is it, Leah?
A pink egg.
Oh, you got slime.
You got
Bubbles.
Yeah, you got green slime. Look at how slimy it is.
Wow. Shaggy. Wow, it's very happy.
Okay, guys, so Leah just got her first slime egg. So that means she doesn't get a point. So Anwar still has 1 point. And now it's your turn, Anwar. Who are you going to open up?
I'm going to open up Batman.
Batman. All right.
What?
What'd you get?
I got slime. I wanted to do.
Oh, no. Anwar got pink slime, guys. Ooh, look at how gooey it is. It's stretchy. Okay, guys, so Anwar just got a slime egg as well. So the score is still 1-0 for Anwar. And now it's Leah's turn. Who are you going to open up, Leah? Supergirl, is that you? Okay, let's see what's behind Supergirl. Go ahead.
I need help.
You need help? What did you get? You got a Barbie doll of Captain Marvel. She's also a superhero.
Yuck.
Wow, she's got flames on her hands. Look at that. She's super strong.
Yuck.
All right, guys. So Leah got her first surprise toy. So that means it's tied 1-1. And now, Anwar, it's your turn.
I'm going to pick Captain America.
Ooh, Captain America. Good choice. Okay, Anwar, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead. Whoa, what did you get?
Whoa. I got the Marvel Superhero Adventures Vehicle 6-pack.
Wow, that's cool. Let's hold it up so that you can see.
We have Spider-Man, Black Panther, Hulk, Captain America, Iron Man, and Captain Marvel.
Wow, guys, look at all your cars. Those look cool.
Let's race. 3,
2, 1, go.
What?
Why did not move? Okay, let's try again. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh no! There's no way!
Whoa! All right, guys, we have all the cars lined up. Let's see who's gonna win the race. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Yep.
On your marks, get set, go!
No! I
Spider-Man wins!
They went so slow.
Why? How could you not?
Whoa!
Whoa.
Spider-Man just went fast.
Ah! No!
Whoa!
I know where. Wow! I did it! Wow! Whoa! Jeez.
All right, guys, so now the score is 2-1 for Anwar. Leah, who are you gonna pick? Batgirl?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what's behind Batgirl.
I want to help her.
Okay.
What is it? What is it? Show us. You got another doll and it's a Batgirl. Look at her cape. That's cool. And her mask. She looks like a cat, right? Okay, guys, so now the score is 2-2. So, Anwar, who are you gonna pick now?
I'm gonna pick Superman.
Ooh, Superman. Okay.
Whoa! We got Hulk. Let's put on his mask. Whoa, he looks so cool. There's a button here. Let's press it.
All right, guys, so now the score is 3-2 for Anwar. Leah, who are you gonna pick? Are you gonna pick Catwoman? All right, let's see what's behind Catwoman.
I need help.
What'd you get? Who's that?
We got Thanos, Leah.
Whoa, you got a Thanos Funko Pop.
And look, you can collect all these other characters. Here's Thanos, guys.
Whoa, look at his bobblehead.
Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
He's a big Funko Pop.
Yeah, he's bigger than the other one. He has his fist crossed, golden armor, and this time he has a helmet with blue and gold.
All right, guys, so the score is tied 3-3. Anwar, who are you gonna pick?
I'm gonna pick Black Panther.
Black Panther, okay. Go ahead. What'd you get?
Okay.
You got an egg.
Oh, I got slime. Look,
Oh.
it's like grayish.
Oh, wow. It's like clear with like glitter in it, silver glitter. Ooh, it's so gooey. All right, guys, so since Anwar got slime, the score is still 3-3. And Leah, who are you gonna pick? Oh, Thanos? All right, go ahead. Woo, you did it!
Nice.
What'd you get? What's that? You got Black Panther toys. So here we have an action figure of Black Panther. Here we have his car. And look, this is a giant Black Panther robot. And look inside here. If you open this up, there's a little tiny one too. See, you can keep him inside there. Do you want to put him back?
Here's no fit.
This fits in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you close it up. Okay, close him up. Perfect. Okay, guys, so Aaliyah got a toy, so now she has 4 points. And Anwar, you're gonna pick which character?
Hulk.
The Hulk. Whoa, whoa.
Whoa! I got the Hulk.
Wow, you got the Hulk and the Hulk Buster. Looks like he can fit inside, right?
Yeah, let's try it.
Whoa. he looks cool. And all these pieces can pop off, right? So that
Yeah.
you can reveal Hulk.
Smashing you is nothing personal. It's just kind of my thing. Hulk smash!
Whoa, and there's Hulk inside, guys. Okay, guys, so now the score is 4-4.
Yep.
So, Leah, you get the last character, and it's Iron Man. What's gonna be behind there?
Toys.
A toy? Okay, let's see.
Oh, I want to help.
What is it? You got Wonder Woman! Good job, Leah. Let's see her. Wow, cool suit. Okay, guys, so the game is done, and it looks like Leah won. Was it 5-4?
Yeah.
Yeah, 5-4, right? Good job, Leah.
Yeah, I pick this.
Those are your favorite toys that you got?
Yeah, I pick this ours.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.